friends, welcome to MMS Rasoyi World. Today I am going to show you how to make very quick and awesome milk cake. So here we go. You need paneer. I already made the paneer and smash the paneer. I have taken condensed milk, 1 can, that is 397 gram, and I have taken milk powder, almost 3 tablespoon, and I have taken jaggery, that is palm candy, or that is palm jaggery. So I am going to mix all the ingredients first. So now I have smashed the paneer or cottage cheese. Now I am going to add other ingredients like jaggery, I'm not going to use the elaichi powder or green cardamom powder because this also smells very good. So if you are using jaggery, you don't need to use any elaichi powder. Using milk powder, now mixing it. And now adding the condensed milk. Whole can I am using. Now mix all the ingredients very nicely. Meantime, heat the pan, and I am going to put all the mixture in this hot pan. I have mixed the ingredients and putting into the pan. Now stir it continuously until the mixture leaves the pan. Now it started boiling nicely. I have to cook little bit more. Now I am adding almond powder, ground almond, to this to enhance the flavor and also the taste. Stir it nicely. Now it is done. This is the consistency. Until this consistency you have to cook. See, it is coming out of the pan. Now I will let it cool for half an hour. Then I will cut into pieces. Turn off the heater. Now grease a tin. I have already greased. You can take any kind of tin and pour the mixture to here. Here is the mixture. And spread it very evenly all over the tin. I am spreading the mixture all over the tin very nicely. braid it very evenly, and I'll sprinkle all over little bit almond powder to look nice. Now let it be cool down, then we can cut it. Here is my kalakan. After cooling down, I have cut into squares, and here is my kalakan.